So somebody asked me a question right here, and let's see what the person said. The person said, "Boss, if person get video editing skills, where can I get clients to work for apart from freelance apps because it's frustrating me?" Now, I've been getting these kind of questions a lot, and I'm going to answer this question in today's video. Before I answer this particular question, let me quickly share a little story about my finance journey because that's what I want to talk about today in this particular video. And I believe this video is going to help somebody that is looking to start up a side hustle, especially online. For those that don't have anything and they just want something to start with, they just want to start from somewhere. I believe this particular video is going to help you, at least inspire you to start up something today. But before we get into that, if you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Solomon. You're on my channel. I share different side hustle ideas. I talk about different side hustles that can help you earn some cash online just with your smartphone, with your laptop, remotely. So if you want to be getting more updates from me, or if you want to get notified whenever I drop a new video, do also like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe for more content coming your way. And please don't forget to comment where you're watching from in the comment section. I really appreciate you. Please let me take this particular time to appreciate all my community members. If you're a community member on this particular channel, I really appreciate you. Thank you for the love and the support. And if you have not joined our community, what are you waiting for? Just click on the join button right now and join the family. So I'm going to try not to bore you with my story. I'm going to make it snappy. So I started my make money online journey around 2021. The fact is that it was not easy. There was no support, no information, nothing. I just started with nothing. If you're a beginner out there, or if you're somebody out there and you feel like I don't have anything and nobody's looking at my face, well, you are not alone, because I was actually there. I started with absolutely nothing. In fact, this is me when I started in 2021, and this is actually me now. You're going to see the difference. I've not gotten to where I want to be, but the fact is that the difference is actually clear. It all boils down to a few key habits that I've picked up along the way and the willingness to learn personally. Now, this video is not scripted. I'm just here to share my real life experience when I started creating content in 2021. And the fact is that my first video was very bad. It was very bad. And I started with a phone called itel A33. It's actually a good smartphone by then, but it wasn't good enough to start making content. So if you are actually looking to start up content creation and you don't have a good phone, you don't have a good camera, and you're still wondering, start with what you have. That is the first thing. The first thing is just for you to start. You have to start from somewhere. It is very important. I started with my itel A33. It wasn't the best. The audio was bad. The video was bad. The fact is, I was even using the front camera. Let me shock you. That phone, the battery was bad. So I had to be charging it externally, for those of you that understand what that means. And I gathered some money and I got this. This is actually in Phoenix. I got this around 2022. So I used it to continue my content creation itself, its purpose. From this phone, I gathered money and I actually got this. Now, this is Samsung Galaxy A04s. It was actually nice, or it's still nice though. I can still use this phone to record good videos. Not that good, but at least it served me its purpose. And from here, I use this particular phone to gather some money, and I actually went and purchased this. Now, this is the machine I got. This machine here is actually called Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. This is the phone I've been using to record all my videos. When I mean all my videos. Now, people say iPhone is good, iPhone camera is good, I gathered some money and I bought this. This is iPhone 12 Pro, right? I bought this particular iPhone 12 Pro. Okay, iPhone 12, sorry. This is actually iPhone 12, if I'm not wrong. But the thing there is that I did not really enjoy this particular phone's camera like I enjoy this particular one. This is Samsung Galaxy, this is iPhone. So I did not really enjoy this one like this. But I still use these once in a while, not often, but this is the main phone I've been using. Now, the reason why I'm telling you guys all this is because recently I did something insane. I took a bold step and I actually purchased a camera. All right, so this is what it actually looks like. It's called the Sony ZV-E10. Yeah, it's ZVE 10, I think so. I got this with the kit lens, and you won't really see the camera because that's what I'm using to record. So you are going to be the judge. Tell me how the video quality actually looks like. And after I purchased the camera, they say the camera is good, but you have to get a lens. So I decided to get another additional lens. This is actually called the Sigma 16mm lens. Sorry, this is actually called a Sigma 16mm lens. I got this to add to this, and that's the lens I'm using right now. So I don't know, I don't even know how it looks. This is the first time I'm using it. You are going to be the judge in the comment section. Now, why am I showing you all this? I'm not showing you all this to boast that I got a brand new camera. No, no, no. I'm showing you all this to show you my journey. This is my journey. I started from itel A33, right? And the funny part is that phone, I borrowed it from my brother. My brother, wherever you are, thank you very much. I borrowed that phone from him. That was his phone. I started with that. So, what are some of the habits that actually help me in this particular make money online journey? The first habit here is actually consistency. A lot of people they try a lot of things, and at some point they actually give up when they are not seeing result, and when they are not seeing much result, or when they are not seeing result the way they really wanted it to be, or when they are not meeting up their expectations. Since 2021, I've been uploading videos every single day. The consistency is what actually matters. Content creation is my business, so I choose to reinvest every money I make into it. I mean everything. This is how my first studio actually looks like. The compound I was staying is very noisy, and the microphone I was using is not noise reduction. I have to wake up 5 a.m. every morning to make that particular video. When I got small money, I reinvested into my business. I got another studio. This is how my second studio looked like. It was very tight and I was sweating a lot, and I decided to get this particular place. So this is me reinvesting into my business. So that's one of the most important things you have to take note of as a beginner. This is something that have helped me to grow. I mean, this is not where I want to be, but this is okay for now, and there's still more room for improvement. Now, speaking of improvement is another thing you need to look forward to. It's very, very, very important. You need to learn, you need to improve yourself mentally, physically, and otherwise. I just bought this camera a few days ago, I think 3 to 4 days ago. This is the first time using it. 3 days back, I've been taking my time, 2 hours online to learn more about this particular camera, how to use it, how to set it. So you guys will be the judge if the video quality is actually okay. You must be willing to learn. You cannot just say I want to start my make money online journey and you're not willing to learn. These are some of the habits that have helped me over the years to build and grow to this moment, and I'm grateful for all my community members, the people that believe in me from day one. So the fact is that you just have to start. You don't have to be good at anything. You don't have to be good. Just start, and your path is going to find you. And finally, learn to read. You can read books, get some books to read, and expand your knowledge. Coming back to this guy that asked me this question, if I have a video editing skill and all these freelance platforms are crowded, how can I get clients? It's simple. Start creating content. And the best part is that your content creation is going to pay you. You're going to get steady clients because once people see your performance, they're going to be willing to hire you. I mean, it is very simple. If you want to learn video editing, I'm going to drop a link for you down below for you to get started. It's actually a course that can teach you how you can use your smartphone to edit your videos. Now, the interesting part is that I've been editing my videos for years and I've been using my smartphone to do that. So you can use your smartphone to start editing videos. Remember, this is a skill that can fetch you income for the long term. Just check the comment section or check the description of this particular video. You're going to see the link right there. Just click on it, go down there, get the course, learn how to start editing videos. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.